how to use structured daily planner app. So just quick walkthrough to this app. It's really well designed app. When you open it up, you might think, why this app is actually getting so much traction. It's in top charts in productivity, as you can see. Like the one thing it does really, really well is just reorganizes the view of your calendar. So this is how the app looks like. And then what it does, instead of like this, boring calendar view, which you can see, if you're using Google Calendar or Apple Calendar, you just have this calendar, you go to a specific date, and then you just have this boring calendar view with time slots. Here is just a bit more like smoother design. So like here is just like my day or some other day, and then I just can add a task more easily. I can go shopping, and then I can just select how long is that, select the time slot. Then I can just select which color I want to use. I can if I want to select recurring task, unfortunately I need to upgrade to Pro. Then I can set up alerts, I can add a subtask, and then I'm just creating task. Of course, then there is a nudge to upgrade to the Pro version, and monthly subscription is just $3 per month. $3 per month, that's not much. But here then you have this nice view, like you just have like in a nice clean screen, you just have it. Here is my task, and then I need to add another one, for example, like, okay, answer emails. And then I have this. So the idea of this app is just like, your day looks more structured. And then it's like, okay, I just woke up, I answered my emails. Then you have this cross down. And this app looks a bit, much smoother, especially on your mobile. And then you just have clear tasks one by one in your profile. So it's pretty cool, which you can try it out. And then you can add new task, the plus icon in the bottom right. And then, you can also jump to any other day like this. Then you have this structured assistant. You have inbox. You can install reminders. So what is inbox? Inbox is just basically tasks which you don't want to include anywhere in the date, but this is just like your plans which you just want to save somewhere. This is kind of like your notes here. Or I don't know, it's just like some pie. So you have this task and you don't know where to put it. This is just like an idea, and then you can just add it here. It should take you 1 hour, and then you just have it here. It's not added in your calendar or whatever, but you just have it here, so just like as a reminder. Then there is like reminders inbox as well, which you can import from your iOS device. And then you can just enable notifications. You can change the appearance. iCloud sync, it's enabled. Advanced, you can do a backup. You can select when to start a week. If you want to erase all your data, you can do it here. Then, of course, if you want to integrate your work calendar, it's in the Pro version. If you want to integrate another app, OneSec, which is actually it's another cool app which helps you break free from social media, just like basically focus app, where you download this app and then you will block social media apps automatically during important tasks. So if you create a task work, like Instagram, TikTok will be blocked, and you won't be able to log in to these apps on your phone while this task is on. And then you can just follow this app, see some analytics. Okay, you can delete your data as well. So it's really cool app. Definitely give it a try. And recently they just introduced this AI assistant. And then what you can do, you can just write to your assistant in the text, like, hey, I'm planning to do this from this time to this, just like write as you write into your friend in the chat, and this AI assistant will automatically create tasks for you and just fill up your calendar. It's pretty cool, so try that as well. So pretty cool feature. Try out this app and see you around.